In the continuation of the educational series on PowerPoint software, in part 23, we will become familiar with the bar chart and the necessary tips for better design of this chart. And the third chart that we are going to talk about is bar chart. It is similar to the column chart that rotated 90 degrees. The advantage is that you can read the items easily. I mean, when the title of your data is large and it bothers the audience to read them, and it will be long if we use the column chart, so in this case we can use the bar chart. And the bar charts can be designed as a stack, like the column chart. And I provide an example for you. As you see, the chart above is a column chart and the title of the data is line. It is written in a way that is legible. We can use a bar chart instead of that and write the titles in this way. They are more legible than column chart. And this is another example of the bar chart that shows the employment based on the year and the degree of education. Actually, it is stack bar chart. Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Masum Shariflu. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.